देशाची उदरगत जावप म्हळ्यार पयली गांवची उदरगत जावपाची गरज आसा. संवसारान मोग आनी शांतताय आसप महत्वाची आसा. देशाची उदरगत जावपाक जेवण, भलायकी आनी शिक्षण हे महत्वाचे मुद्दे आसा म्हण स्वामी सुनील दास हांणी सांगला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The unity, purity and divinity very important. Love all serve all. One religion, one God, one caste, one language, that is love. That is all the Gurus tell. And the same message. The India development, Mahatma Gandhi tell, village development very important. When village development, India development. Today India more development, very good. The system, the software system, satellite system, but village development is India development. First food, second education, third health. When today lot of people know food, hungry. The hungry very difficult. That reason food important, food is God. And education development, India development. And health, that's a food, education and health. They all the unity very important, religion, all the religions say. But my main project is peace and love. Today people know peace, all the people mind peace, 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 peace. All of worry, hurry and curry, no worry, no hurry, no curry, very important. And today, no, all the people, yesterday, 2-3 people, youth meet, villagers meet, and scientists meet, Swamiji's meet, all the people, only one question. Today, new generation, tension, tension, tension. 5 years baby tell tension, 6 years baby tell tension. What the reason tension? Tension's medicine, some Vattamuliga Ayurveda, only one medicine. The name is attention, that is a tension, two tension. Shraddha, Safuri. Correct. Tension, attention very. Today no attention, no peace. The new generation I visit every week. Minimum 3,000, 4,000 students I meet in all over India and world in different places.